Let's say you bought a clone microphone, particularly a dynamic microphone, like this clone of an SM57. Or maybe you have this. This is a clone of the Beta 58, which is similar to the SM58. These clone microphones, when connected to a mixing console or an audio interface, they will work just fine without phantom power. But once you turn on the phantom power, the clone microphone stops picking up sound or its sound signature changes. Why do we need phantom power? Well, dynamic microphones don't need phantom power, but there are cases where we need to use it. Maybe you're also using a condenser microphone, or a pencil mic, or a shotgun mic. These condenser microphones need phantom power in order to work. Most mixing consoles are built with global phantom power. What that means is the phantom power is sent to all of the tracks. You can't stop the phantom power to the dynamic microphone unless your mixer features a toggle to disable it. Why do clone microphones stop working with phantom power? It is because of the way the manufacturers wired these microphones. As you see in this XLR connector, it has 3 pins. 1, 2, 3. The first pin is for the ground. The second pin, near the notch, is for the hot signal or the positive signal. And the third pin is for the cold signal or negative signal. In the other hand, the mic capsule only contains 2 terminals. The red wire is for the positive terminal and the black wire is for the negative terminal. The way the manufacturers configured this microphone is that they wired the red wire to the second pin, which is the hot pin, and they wired the black wire to the first pin, which is the ground. And the third pin was bridged to the first pin. That's where the problem is happening. In order to correct this, we're going to take out the XLR connector in a bit. Or maybe we'll take out the dynamic microphone. So there's your wires, a counterweight, and the XLR connector. So as you can see, what I did here is I removed the bridge between pin 3 and pin 1. So this is pin 3 and this is pin 1. Although the first pin is still bridged to the shield. Then the black wire, which is the negative terminal, it is connected to the third pin. Then the second pin is connected to the positive pin. Or rather, it's the second pin. So again, this is the ground or shield. It is bridged to the shield screw. The second pin is connected to the red wire, which goes to the positive terminal of the mic capsule. And the third pin is connected to the negative terminal of the mic capsule. So that's how you're going to configure your microphone. Now we'll test it in a minute. Turn that counterclockwise until the XLR connector holds in place. We'll put back the counterweight. Make sure the lower end is taped with an electrical tape so it won't short the pins underneath. Then we just slide it in there. And the mic is now reassembled. Now let's test it out. So there we go. We have connected the SM57 clone and we'll focus on the mixing console. As you can see, the phantom power is turned off. Now let's try to power it up. But before that, I'll warn you that you'll hear a brief pop. So try to lower the volume if you want to avoid hearing the pop. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the microphone is still working. You can still hear it. And there you have it. So thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.